In this video, I want to show you how to change the engine air filter in a Subaru Legacy 2015 Plus. I am performing this on my Subaru Legacy 2017 3.6R, but the instructions also apply to other Subarus. Just make sure to purchase the correct filter for your Subaru. So first, on the top, you have these two latches. Pull them out and then push the filter holder to the back and pull it up because it has two pins on the bottom, and while holding it with your hand, slide out the old filter. The operation is a little bit tricky. Just be patient and don't push too much so that you don't break anything. Remove the old filter as you saw in the video. See how it is dirty? And then I'm gonna install now the new filter. I got the FRAM Extra Guard CA9997. So remove the new filter from its packaging. You see here how it is dirty, the old one. And now making sure to put it in the right direction while holding the cover, slide it in slowly and make sure it goes in the right place. It fits in the right place. And now align the bottom pins to their sockets in the bottom. Push the casing down a little bit and then push it towards the closing and then put back the latches. And that's it. Thank you for watching.